Hello. One of the most common causes of a defective AC system is the loss of refrigerant from the system. EasyKlima has launched a line of products that will allow you to solve this problem by yourself. In this episode, we will show you how to refill an R12 AC system in a car with our products. First of all, make sure you are safe. Step 1. Find the low pressure port. It is the only port our hose fits into, and it looks like this. If you are having trouble finding the charging port, have a look at easyklima.com/portfinder. You will find helpful information there. Step 2. Start the car engine and turn on the AC. Make sure the AC is set to the minimum temperature and maximum airflow. Now that you have found the charging port and started the car and AC, you can move on to step 3. Prepare the set. Unscrew the valve. Screw on the container with our preparation. Attach the adapter to the charging port. Connect the hose to the port. Undo the safety device, press down, and that's it. Screw the valve in to puncture the container. Hold the set upside down and then start charging by unscrewing the valve. Does our pressure gauge indicate insufficient pressure? Topping up the refrigerant should solve the problem. If the pressure gauge indicates excessively high pressure, stop the procedure and contact a service technician. See how EasyKlima products can help you restore the efficiency of your AC.